Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the latest news about Larry Ellison, the co-founder and chairman of Oracle Corporation. If you're curious about the man behind the tech giant, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the updates from the world of tech and business. Segment 1. Luxurious real estate move. Larry Ellison has once again made headlines for his jaw-dropping real estate moves. According to CBS News, the billionaire recently purchased a staggering $173 million estate in Florida, marking it as the state's largest residential sale ever. If you want to see what opulence looks like, Larry Ellison sure knows how to make a statement. Segment 2. Speeding incident on his own island. Now, here's a unique Larry Ellison story. He got pulled over for speeding, not on any random road, but on his own Hawaiian island. Yes, you heard it right. According to the New York Post, Ellison found himself on the wrong side of the law while cruising on his Hawaiian paradise. Segment 3. Richest person movement. Larry Ellison is not just making waves in real estate. He's also making moves on the global wealth stage. As reported by Mercury News, Ellison has edged past Bill Gates, claiming the title of the world's fourth richest person. Now that's a power move in the Billionaire League. Segment 4. Dive deeper. If you're hungry for more details, you can click on the links in the description to read the full articles. Find out the intricacies of Larry Ellison's record-breaking real estate purchase, the speeding incident on his Hawaiian island, and his ascent in the global wealth rankings. It's all there for you to explore. And that wraps up our Larry Ellison news update. What do you think about his latest endeavors? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your tech-savvy friends. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of business and technology.